Today we're going to have fun with some good old-fashioned marshmallows. That's right, it's nearly bonfire night and it's time to get creative. It's super simple. All you need is some marshmallows, some chocolate, and then the toppings of your choice. We've gone for pistachios, crumbled up digestive biscuits, some honeycomb chocolate, and some smarties. So to get started, we need to sort out our toppings. The ingredients need to be ground up a little, so we're going to put them into the pestle and mortar. You want to pound and grind them so that they've broken down, but you still have some larger chunks of the mixture just for texture. First things first, melt that chocolate. This is a bain-marie. I'm going to pop the chocolate in here. There's a bowl over a pan with some water in it, and we've boiled the water there. Why use the bain-marie? Well, I'll tell you why. Because you can keep the chocolate melted and warm and it doesn't burn. It's an awesome, simple piece of kit. Once your chocolate's melted, it's time to put your marshmallows onto their sticks and begin the dipping. Now, it's fun time. This is perfect to do with the kids. All you need to do, take your marshmallow, dip it into the chocolate. There we go. And choose whichever topping you fancy and dip it in there and cover that chocolate in it. Once you're done, place them onto a sheet of parchment paper to harden. There you have it, marshmallow toppers. So much fun to do and super simple. Oh yeah, did I mention? They're really tasty.